In this video, I'm going to show you how to add photos to your Canva template. Before we start uploading images, you will want to consider if you will be uploading one image or multiple images. If you'll be uploading multiple images, I suggest loading them to a folder. In that case, you will go over here to your sidebar and click on Projects, and then create a folder. Then I suggest naming it the project. Now you have your folder created and you can upload images to it. So click on your folder and then you're going to select your files. Choose the images that you would like to upload. Click Open and they will begin to upload to your Canva. Now that the images are in your folder, you will want to go ahead and click on the image that you would like and drag it and drop it into the section you would like it to go. Once you have it where you want, if you'd like to adjust the image, go ahead and double click on it, and then you can take and move it, adjust it to kind of put it where you would like it. Once you're happy with that, you will go ahead and click Done. And then if you decide you don't want the image, just click on the image and click Delete. And that's all there is to adding your own photos to Canva.